Let's talk about parameters and hyperparameters. So a model parameter is a variable that configures the internal state of a model and whose value can be estimated. The value of a parameter is not manually set and will be learned outputted after training. Parameters are used to make predictions. Then we have model hyperparameter. This is a variable that is external to the model and whose value cannot be estimated. The value of the hyperparameter is manually set before the training of the model. Hyperparameters are used to estimate model parameters. And so we have things like learning rate, epochs, and batch size. And here's kind of a diagram. Hopefully it helps make sense, but imagine you have a variable and you want to input it into your model, right? And we'll just make a box here to indicate that this is the model. It's going to go into layers, right? And we'll talk about this again later on, but parameters are the connections between nodes, okay? So the idea is that this will have a variable or a value, and it'll have a weight, and those are those internal state, those parameters, okay? So hopefully that is very clear there, because the idea is that when you want to utilize something for training, right, you're going to pass like a content or variables. It's going to go through all those layers, and then all these connections have to be set. These parameters of these connections have to be set so you get the result that you want to get. So hopefully that is clear, but we will cover it again if it's not clear later on, okay?